Hey guys, today I'm here to telling about the amazing ideas of garden. Guys, you can decor your garden like this. These are beautiful ideas. Look at beautiful colors of nature. These are very beautiful color plus combination. Guys, you can decor your garden like this. These all are very beautiful. Look at beautiful pictures of garden. You can decor your window like this. Very beautiful picture of garden. Look at summer garden. You can decor your garden in summer like this. Beautiful picture of summer garden. Look at guys, beautiful garden, beautiful houses. You can decor your garden like this. Look at nature, beautiful color of nature. These all are very beautiful, very nice, very beautiful picture of garden. Beautiful picture of garden. Beautiful picture of garden. Look at these combination. Different colors of nature. Look at these beautiful picture. You can decor your window like this. You can make stand on garden. Look at beautiful entrance. You can make entrance like this. These are beautiful picture of garden. Look at guys. These all are beautiful pictures of garden. Beautiful pictures of garden. I hope so. You all are fine. Bye.